The Asgardian Clash is about to start on Rollercoin, and there are going to be loads of events and loads of powerful miners that you can place on your rack in a set to gain massive power. Let's check out all the details right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so more events coming on Rollercoin, but before I get into this video, I would just like to say one thing, and this is very important. So yesterday evening, I found out that for some unknown reason, I was removed from the content creators program of Rollercoin, and I wasn't given a specific reason as to why. I have asked for the reason, but I am still waiting for a reply. So if you see that my videos on Rollercoin are now less frequent, you will know why, because this is totally unjustified. I did nothing wrong, and I do want a proper explanation as to why. So with that out of the way, I'm still making a video anyway, and I'm still going to show you what's going on Rollercoin. On my screen here, you can see the blog post that was announced by Rollercoin a few days ago, the Asgardian Clash Strength Strategy Glory. So basically in this, you will find several events. So let's call this a mega event, and there are multiple events that will be taking place, and you will be able to get some of these miners or all of these miners if you manage to make it and get to the very end and claim victory for all of these powerful miners, okay? So you can see all the power of each and every miner, the name of the miner, and the bonus power for each of the miners. You can also see here that if you place the miners on this Asgardian Rack 8, you'll be forming a set, okay? So you can only put 4 of the miners, and you will need to choose the combo of which 4 you want to choose. So you can either choose to have the most powerful miners, or you can go the flexibility route and use 4 mid-range miners, and that will still score you a plus 32% ultimate set bonus and bonus from the miners themselves as well. If you do go for the maximum power ones and get the strongest 4 miners on that rack, you will hit 57.2 petahash with a 45% bonus power as well. Okay, so that is quite a significant amount of power right there, and the bonuses just start with just 2 miners and the ultimate rack, so you can have even just 2 of those miners, any 2 of those miners, to get some form of reward. Just be sure to try and select whichever ones are the most powerful, if you can actually do that, if you manage to get all of the miners. Now the question is, how are you actually going to obtain these miners? And that is further down below, where we can see the timeline of what is coming until the very start of June the 2nd, where there will be the final progression event. So you can see that from today, May the 20th to May 23rd, there is the Trickster's March puzzle event that will be starting in a few hours from the time of this video, and you can get that Aegeus of gold plus the rack that you do need to start off, okay? So as well, from the May 23rd to May 26th, May 23rd to May 24th, these are going to be overlapping. There's going to be a progression event, and at the same time a race, which is called Thunder Rush, and the progression event is Hammer Time. There's going to be the Voidstone Miner and the Elder Beast Miner that you can get from those. So you can see these Voidstone, Aegeus of Gold, you'll get the rack in the first one, and the Elder Beast, which is one of the most powerful miners that you can get as well, okay? So look out for that one. There is also going to be on May 27th to May 30th, Face to Mace, which is another puzzle event. You'll get the Celestial Eye Miner during that puzzle event. Of course, during these events, you'll be getting more than just these miners. There are other rewards, as usual, through the entire progression event. But somewhere in that progression event, there will be the miners mentioned. Somewhere in the puzzle event, same thing, there'll be the rack and the miner mentioned. And in the race, it's the same thing, okay? So you might need to be first, for example, to get the Soul Devourer miner, okay? But we'll have to see what that will bring. Fast and Furious Loki Drift race will come from May 30th to 31st, and on May 30th to June the 2nd there is the Gods Gone Wild progression event as well. So those are pretty much all the events. As you can see, there are 2 puzzle events, 2 progression events, and 2 races, okay? So a total of 6 events there. So this is the blog post on Rollercoin. I will leave a link down in the description below this video for you to check this out as well. You can also always go to the Rollercoin game and check it out from the side icon here, the very last icon, go to blog, and you'll find all the details there as well, okay? So good luck for this mega event and all of those events in between, and I hope that you manage to get to victory and claim the most powerful miners and get all the rewards you deserve. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.